How to create 2024 comes to an end on TikTok video. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. First of all, open up your Play Store, tap on the search icon. Now simply tap on the search bar and type CapCut. Now click on search. Now tap on CapCut Video Editor and install this application. Now once you install this, go back to the home screen and open up TikTok on your device. Now tap on the search icon at the top right corner. Now type 2024 comes to an end. Now once you're done, simply tap on the source icon. Now find the video you want to edit. Now tap on try this template. Now click on use this template in CapCut. For time. Now tap on use template. Now select your video. Now tap on Now select other video. Now click on next. Now wait for some time. Or you can select photos. Tap on photos tab. Now click on add. Now wait for some time. Now once you're done, simply tap on export. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.